Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install SQLmap latest version on Ubuntu Linux. The process is same on all Ubuntu Linux operating system versions. Open any web browser. We have two methods. One by downloading the zip file, another one by using snapd method. Okay, so I will show you both the methods. Go to SQLmap.org. See here, SQLmap is an open source pen testing tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection flaws and taking over database servers. Okay, click on this download tar.zip file. Click on it. See, download started and its size is only 7 megabytes. Download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the tar.zip file. We have to untar this one. tar-xvf, then give SQL, give the tab to autofill enter file name and hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Remove this zip file, it is not required anymore. SQL, give the tab, hit enter, it is removed. Control ls. Okay, now go to this SQL map directory. ls. See here we have the, now give python 3 SQLmap.py, hit enter. See, exited because we have to give any of these mandatory options. That's why we got the error. So give -h, this type of -h. See, we got the list of the options. Okay, so see here we have the list of the options. You can also practice by going to this page. See here we have different options. Okay, see, this is the one way. Otherwise, cd sudo apt update, enter, then sudo apt install snapd. It is already installed. Okay, control L. Now install the SQLmap. Sudo, before that go to previous folder, ls. Now verify the version, python 3 SQLmap.py -- version. See, it is 1.9. Okay, control L, cd dot. Now install sudo snap install SQLmap, hit enter. Wait a moment, it is downloading and installing. See, the installed version is 1.97. But if you want to use the latest one, go to this directory. Okay, even if you go to App Center, then search for SQLmap, hit enter. See here we have the SQLmap. See, we have already installed. Its version is, so better is go to this downloaded directory and perform the actions. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install or set up SQLmap on Ubuntu Linux. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.